ultimate aim is to win medal for country. So whatever way, little way Navy can contribute, by its effort and resources in finally, getting good people in the national squad who can participate from country and want to win laurels at international stage. That's the ultimate aim. Indian Naval Sailing Association came into being in 1961. We have got a full-fledged Navy sailing team which is based at INWTC Mumbai, where they are sailing in all Olympic class of boats. We are divided into various INWTCs, which is Indian Naval Watermanship Training Centers, which are spread all over the country, starting from Gujarat, going down till Kerala, on the east coast, in Andamans, in Lakshadweep, and that's 21 of such nodes. In addition, we have got one offshore sailing club which is again based at Cochin, and we have got one ocean sailing node, which basically deals with all the ocean sailing vessels. It is based at Goa. In conjunction with Sports Authority of India, run a Navy Boys Sports Company, where we do some talent scouting annually. We do rally and we pick up raw talent and induct them as boys cadets and train them in field of sailing sports. And you will be happy to know that from the first batch there are 2 of them who have joined the Navy sailing team and now part of this very node where we are standing now as a naval windsurfing team member. We being a maritime service, we take pride in being associated with all whatever we can do for bringing up the national standards.
We promote the sport of sailing within Goa. For this, we conduct camps for our own officers in sailing and windsurfing. We also conduct camps for their children and dependents, and also several camps in a year for NCC children of the state of Goa and Karnataka. We also have recreational sailing for those people who we have trained and those people who know sailing, so they can follow their passion to sail and the sport of sailing during their free time in Goa. As regards to the Navy windsurfing node, the Navy windsurfing team is based in Goa, and the aim of this team is to train these naval personnel and participate in national and at a future date international events to make the country proud. The team has already made a large imprint on the national circuit in the Olympic class events of the IQ foil and Formula kite, and we hope that within the next few years they move to the next step where they will represent the nation and make the service and the country proud.
बचपन से ही शौक था कि मैं अगर ज्वाइन करूँगा तो डिफेंस ही ज्वाइन करूँगा, फिर आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स कहीं भी। तो जैसे 12th साइंस कंप्लीट हुआ, सबसे पहले हमने कहीं दूसरा जॉब मैंने किया नहीं, सबसे पहले फॉर्म भर के मैं नेवी में आ गया। नेवी में आते सर मैंने शिप में सर्विस किया है, INS विराट में मैं पोस्टेड था। दैट टाइम मैं बोट पुलिंग भी करता था, तो बोट पुलिंग से फिर वहाँ INWTC मुंबई में मैं अटैच हुआ, तो वहाँ मुझे सेलिंग के बारे में पता चला और मैं उस टाइम से फिर सेलिंग करना शुरू किया। फिर विंड सर्फिंग के बारे में पता चला, तो विंड सर्फिंग में मैं RSX क्लास में, ओलंपिक क्लास में लास्ट 6 ईयर से सेल करते रहा।
मैं बाय प्रोफेशन एक एयरक्राफ्ट मेंटेनर हूँ। सेलिंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी आई थी सर, तो आई हैव जॉइंड INWTC फॉर टेम्परेरी ड्यूटी। देन उसके बाद मैं विंड सर्फिंग में स्विच किया एंड लास्ट 6 to 8 मंथ से मैं सर IQ फॉइल कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज़ ओलंपिक स्पोर्ट, एंड नाउ आई एम डूइंग बेटर।